How to turn on messages on TikTok. First is by opening your TikTok app and then go to your profile found on the lower right corner of the screen. And then click on the three lines found on the upper right corner and click on Settings and Privacy. Once you're right here, go to Privacy, which is the second option, and scroll down until you can see the Interaction section. So the third option, which is Direct Messages, click on that one and click on direct messages right here. And then you may choose who can send you direct messages. So you may choose everyone, suggested friends, followers you follow back, and people you sent message to. So for example, you want to choose everyone, click on that one, and then go back. As well as for group chats, you may choose the options that you want, such as your followers that you follow back. And then once you go back, now people can message you on TikTok. So that's it. That's how you can turn on messages on TikTok.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.